Howdy fish neighbors, this is Mountaintop Fish, and today we're putting the goldfish in the refrigerator. Anyway, these are all the goldfish, the big ones and the fry from out of the pond. I gathered all of them today, and now I'm going to put them in the refrigerator tub. Let them be in there for the summer. So I'm going to dump them out. And there they go. The big ones are the parents, of course, and the small ones are the fry. I think they bred again over the winter, I think. But there's quite a few fry, and they're pretty big. I enjoy my goldfish fry. First time I've ever had goldfish fry, ever. Well, I had some year before last, just two though, by accident. But anyway, they're in there. And I've also got this little bucket of plants that I'm going to put in there. And I'm just going to throw them in there. I went through and cleaned them. Got most of the leaves out of them. They will grow without dirt. I was going to dirt it and put sand in it, but I don't have time right now. So I'm just going to put the plants in there and just stir them around kind of willy-nilly. Because they may have eggs on them again this year already, because the weather has warmed up. That's when they like to breed, is when the weather temperature changes. So the tub is done and ready for the summer. I added me 2 drains right here, so when it rains it won't overflow. So it's ready to go. This is Mountaintop Fish. Have a blessed day.